Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to test a code snippet on EC2. Let's say you have an application that depends on a database that is region specific, because most databases are faster if the application that is processing the data is closer to it. So we will see how to test your code snippet on EC2. So now, once you're signed into AWS console, search for EC2 in the search bar. This will take you to this particular dashboard and you can click on launch instance. So we will be, for most test cases, you can use the basic Linux instance that Amazon offers you, which is the T2 micro, T2 or T3 micro. Give the instance a unique name. Next, you will need a key pair to log in. So this RSA key pair is, you need to securely connect your instance from the local server and you cannot lose it. So if you don't have one, you need to click on create new pair. Now this will generate a .pem file. Now I'm not changing any of the other details. Click on launch instance. Now this will successfully create an instance. Wait for the instance state to change to running. Next, click on the instance ID. We will be using this public IP4 address to connect it via the terminal in our desktop or laptop. Click on connect here. So this will open a bash terminal here. Open on the EC2 instance. So this particular Linux instance will not have any of the libraries or packages that you need. So I will be running a Python code, so I need to install pip for that. So we will use the sudo yum command to install it. Next, I know what libraries I need, so I'm using the pip install command to install those libraries. Now your environment is ready. Now you need to upload your files from your local system, laptop or whatever it is, to the EC2 instance. For this we will use the scp command. First, you need to grant access to the RSA key that you downloaded. So we will now use chmod command to give access to this particular RSA file to be able to upload the code snippets that we want. We need to use the code chmod 600 and chmod 400. Now the RSA file can be used to upload our Python code files. Next, we will use the scp command. For this, you need the public IPv4 address of the instance. Now this command scpi and followed by the pem file and the file name followed by EC2 user at the IP address with the tilde mark will upload it to the parent folder. Now this will ask if you trust the fingerprint. You need to type yes. This will add the public v4 IP address to a list of known hosts in your laptop. Now, if you go to your instance bash terminal and type ls-hell, you will see your Python file being uploaded. Now you can run it just like how you would run it in your local system. Once you are done with your testing, you can select instance state and stop the instance. Once the instance is stopped, if you do not want to use it any further, you can select on terminate. Now this will erase the instance from your AWS account and you can no longer access all of the data that was stored in it.